Hello, I'm Jean Brownhill and I'm the founder of Sweeten. I'm here to take over Tastemade Homes Instagrams to answer all of your renovation questions. Sweeten is a platform that connects renovation projects with our thoroughly vetted list of general contractors. We offer you advice, expert tools, and financial protections for your renovations at no additional cost to homeowners. It's free for you to use. Permits can be frustrating, but they are a necessary part of all complex renovations. They're there to serve the public good. They're there to protect you. They're making sure that, your electrical and plumbing are up to code, that your home is structurally safe. So while I know that the process can be really frustrating and something equivalent to, say, the DMV, permits are an important part of the process. And spaces get more complicated to renovate when they include wet areas. So this is kitchens and bathrooms, anything that involves plumbing, is gonna be more complicated and take more time and cost more money. Dry spaces, on the other hand, like a living room or a dining room, those are gonna be easier because they have less trades involved and require less coordination for both labor and materials. The most important thing when sourcing materials to think about is your budget. Once you establish your realistic budget, then make a list of all the items that are really your must-haves. These are things that if your renovation was done without them, you'd feel like it wasn't complete. Then match your budget to your must-haves and then identify everything else as a nice-to-have, but don't get tricked. When you start looking at materials, everything is gonna look fantastic and you'll wanna shop for everything. You need to stick to your must-have list that you created before you went shopping and really spend your budget there. It is not recommended that you live in a space while you're renovating it. There can be lots of toxic materials in the air. We definitely don't suggest it, but we also understand that life sometimes makes it a necessity. If you are living in your home while it's being renovated, we absolutely suggest that you install some type of barrier between you and the space that's being renovated. People who've had the most successful renovations on our platform and have really been able to balance and manage their life during the renovation are folks who did the work up front to really be realistic about their timeline. So they've done research, whether on our blog or other places, to identify, how long does it take to get a permit in their town? What are the lead times of their materials? What is the time in construction? What is the time in cleanup? And then they have a really good sense of the overall timeline of the renovation, and then they plan their life around it accordingly. It is absolutely one of the keys for a successful, balanced, and sane renovation.